On today's adventure, we are in the town of Anna, Texas. This depot looks way too modern, like it was recreated, but we'll see what this sign says up here. Check out this old building over here. Beech nut, sliced bacon. So this is the actual depot. We just moved here. Check out that though, that's pretty cool. So the railroad cuts right in the middle of downtown Anna. Here's the rest of old downtown. So we got some shit going on here. Looks like a grass fire in the middle of the road or something. Somebody done got to smoking. Threw the damn cigarette out or something. 70%. This is your Cajun reporter, Insane the Pooh. I don't know, somebody. The grass ain't that dry. That's weird, huh? This here is crazy looking. This casino is usually packed out. They're building a new tower over there. Completely closed. So, this is your roving reporter, Insane the Pooh. You might recognize this building from the news this week. We are in Madill, Oklahoma, where tornadoes hit this place last Wednesday. This is that big building that was getting all ripped to shreds. We'll cruise through town and see what we find. Okay, so here we go. This is the part where the tornado hit. As you can see, get some serious damage up here. So we are following along the path here, trying to see if we can see any more damage from this tornado here in Madill. So far, just that one intersection is all I've found. I know a couple people died, so it had to have hit some homes or something. At least they were back at that location. I don't know. We're gonna take a right. This is supposed to be the path here to the right. Okay, yeah, I think this is the path right here. I'm seeing some trees. Yeah, here we go. Looks like this building here, whatever it is, a church or something got hit.
Yeah, that got hit.
Yeah, here we go.
A bunch of trees took off.
Here's all the trees that got taken out.
Didn't get too bad, but
Power lines are down, so I'm not going to go over that way. I'll get out and show you the debris field here.
there's some shit around for sure.
Yes, it looks like this is a church being constructed. You can see here, definitely this was the path. All the trees bent over, broken over, and all the debris field. Trees uprooted there. Pink Panther. Yep, this is where it came through, right here. So I'm here in the old downtown square of Madill, and it looks like the tornado only hit that one stretch back there. I haven't seen any more damage in town. Here's the old downtown. Got a gazebo. Jimmy's Auto over there kind of looks like a Red's place in Roadhouse. The road out of town. This downtown don't have as many of the old buildings, the old architecture like I'm finding when I'm going across these places. Some big routes I'm walking across. I like the old architecture. This town has that, just doesn't have that appeal to me. A lot of the buildings have these facades and all on them. Kind of like that, came in the 60s or whatever and kind of redid a bunch of stuff. 70s, 80s. Just doesn't have that feel of the old, the turn of the century. There's a dispensary if you need some medical weed. And the old water tower over there. Well, we are at the home of, what's that country singer you like, Mississippi?
Blake Shelton.
Blake Shelton, Tishomingo, Oklahoma.
There's your dispensary.
Oh, yes, we got a dispensary. I need to move to Oklahoma so I can get my weed on. This building here, it says 1902. It's a pretty cool looking old building.
The coolest.
We'll see what else we can find in Tishomingo. See what this is up here. I don't know if this is a courthouse or a church or what this is. Pretty cool looking though,
National Capital.
Chickasaw National Capital. That's pretty cool. Let's check this out. So I'd love to check this place out whenever it's open again. If and when it ever opens again. This here's a statue of Douglas H. Johnson, Governor of the Chickasaw Nation. And looky here. We got ourselves a little friend. I stepped on you, buddy. I have no idea what kind of snake that is. But I damn near stepped on his ass.
Poisonous or weren't poisonous, and I think there was a lot of them at the lake, in the pond.
A lot of snakes in the pond.
Well, you could see movement and some little heads popping up, but I didn't know if they were turtles or snakes.
So we're heading into town here from the Chickasaw National Capital. That's kind of cool. And so you said that guy's I can't remember his name. What'd you say his name was? Blake Shelton, yeah. His restaurant's here. I don't listen to a lot of country music unless it's really old country music, so let's see if we can find it.
It's called Old Red.
It's called Old Red.
Old Red.
Alright, we'll see if we find it. It's kind of a cool town. I like this town.
For sure where it's at either. There's the doghouse. Old Red Tishomingo.
Oh, here we go. There it is. Blake Shelton's restaurant.
That's it. Closed.
Closed. There's the movie theater. The Indy.
It's closed.
It's a cool mural over there.
It's way out of town.
It's kind of cool.
Something over here.
There's a jet.
Blue Angels.
Nice, huh? And over here, I got a tank pointed at me. Beautiful area out here.
There's no name on it,
So we're over on the Oklahoma side of Texoma, and I did a video over here a year or two ago. Wasn't that long ago, maybe a year ago. And it was all abandoned and all, and now you look at it, it looks like the 4th of July here. There's people everywhere. So I guess Oklahoma opened all their state parks back up, and you can camp out and party and whatever you want to do.
Should have come up here and camped out.
There's a lot of tent campers in the back behind us there. We just pulled through.
This is where we should have come, I guess.
So I guess we can get reservations to come up here. I don't know.
Reservations and come tent camp for the night.
It's pretty crazy. I can't believe them buildings are gone. I just did that video, I don't remember, probably a year ago, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All them abandoned buildings and all. This place was dead. There was nobody here now. It really does look like the 4th of July. So I'll put a link to that video in this video. Just amazing. They're all gone. All them buildings are gone. Well, we're gonna finish this day off with the picnic. I made some homemade dressing. My sandwich here. Ice cold chilada. Hell on the red. Pickles. Heck yeah.